Representative Jervil Luistro, ang kinatawan po ng ikalawang distrito ng Batangas at ang lead prosecutor sa Vice President Sara Duterte impeachment trial. Magandang umaga po sa inyo, Congresswoman.
Good morning!
Good morning, Alvin.
Hi,
Good
ma'am.
morning sa lahat ng ating viewers. No?
Opo, marami pong nag-aabang sa magiging reaksyon po ninyo. Sisitahin ba ng lead prosecutor ang dalawang private prosecutor na na-involved sa medyo mainit po kahapon? Ano po? Siyempre, ang involved, the one
That is
and only,
correct.
Lorna Kapunan and si Atty. Ligutan. Ano po? Anong aksyon ang gagawin ninyo at mukhang nagre-reklamo po yung depensa sa dalawang private prosecutor nyo?
Well, first of all, no, I wish to express our highest respect and regard to the impeachment court. No? Bagaman we are maintaining the position na for Attorney Lorna Kapunan, naging very much passionate lang siya. And for Attorney Ligutan, wala namang ill intention, but only to enlighten the public, considering that we are conscious na nakatutok sa impeachment trial ang taong bayan, no? Nevertheless, kamukha ng sinabi ko kanina, Alvin, we defer, we respect the impeachment court. So anuman ang maging ruling ng impeachment court regarding the concern that was raised by the defense, we will be abiding with the ruling of the impeachment court, no? But gusto ko lang reiterate, this is for the understanding of taong bayan. Nanonood naman po ang lahat. Ang nakita ko kay Attorney Kapunan, she was very passionate. In the morning, no, kita naman natin very much engaging din ang defense. As a matter of fact, nag-i-smile pa nga yung defense team doon sa mga exchange of remarks nitong dalawang counsel natin, no? Medyo na-observe lang natin that as we start the afternoon trial, parang biglang naging serious. Not only serious, mukhang quite low-spirited din, no? Only to find out that before we will be adjourning ay meron pala silang.
Actually, yun ang susunod kong tanong sa'yo. I-enlighten mo nga ako. Tama ba ang declaration ng depensa? O actually, mali din yun na allowed ang misleading?
Pagmang inasal pork barbecue, dapat with rice.
Din yun na allowed ang misleading.
But actually, the defense is claiming na misinterpret, na
Ganon?
misunderstood ang defense during the exchange of remarks nitong dalawang counsel in the person of Attorney Kapunan for the prosecution and in the person of Attorney Ferrer for the defense. No, we acknowledge that. Sabi ni Attorney Sison na misunderstood, na mislead. Kaya lang, Alvin, in the face of so many reporters,
Many people, viewers,
demanding for answer, nasabi ng defense, may pronouncement din ng impeachment trial, karapatan din po na marinig naman ang side ng prosecution. I
Tama.
tried yesterday
kaso
to
ayaw.
request for
Ayaw ni
recognition of the named counsel for the panel of prosecution, si Attorney Virgil Ligutan, because it is his right na magpaliwanag, marinig ang side niya after he was called out by the defense. Pero narinig natin ang presiding officer that he will be given a chance on Monday. May mga pronouncements din ang presiding officer, ang impeachment court, tungkol sa mga naging demeanor ng prosecution team concerning that rule prohibiting making comments on the merits, no? And we intend to make a manifestation on our position as well. But at the end of the day, Alvin, let us remember, no, that the prosecution team differs so much to the impeachment court. Ano man ang maging ruling ng impeachment court after we have manifested our position, we will abide with the ruling of the impeachment court.
Very good. Maraming salamat. Well spoken. Ayan ha.
Yes. Good morning,
Ang
ma'am.
problema lang natin dito, baka si Jervil at yung ibang prosecutors ay hindi na talaga magpa-interview 'Di ba? Kasi sabihin nila, kung baka masita ako ng impeachment court.
Kaya nga.
So hindi naman ganun, Congresswoman, magpapa-interview pa rin po kayo.
Well, I think we just need to be very much conscious this time. Conscious naman kami since day one, no? Kaya lang, ang naging parameter talaga namin, if the comment does not pertain to the merits, kung hindi naman ito tungkol sa merito, it will not affect the decision, the would-be decision of the senator judges. I think the same does not constitute violation, no? Kamukha nung naging usapin nga kahapon. Misleading questions. Would it affect the decision of the senator judges?
Opo. So
I
yung,
don't think so.
yung isa na lang, yung sub judice
ah.
does not apply dito sa impeachment trial?
Well, our understanding about sub judice, it is anchored also on the, intertwined yung sub judice rule as well as Rule 18 of the Senate Rules on Impeachment, that is prohibition to comments on the merits, no? At meron pang related provisions sa canon of professional responsibility, no? Ang appreciation
Spring, shout
namin
out
dyan,
to that.
it concerns merits, no? So kung procedural, we would like to be enlightened. Kasi kung pati procedural ay bawal na. Aba, Alvin, baka hindi na nga tayo makapagpa-interview niyan, di ba?
Ayun.
And paano naman yung taong bayan? Paano yung publiko who wanted to hear updates from
Clarification.
the prosecutors themselves, no? Siyempre, nakikita ng publiko, ng prosecutors mismo yung humaharap. Sana magkaroon din ng guidelines
Okay.
on
Okay.
the implementation of this prohibition. So, we know when the comment already constitute violation. Kailan ba sinasabing comment on the merits yan?
Opo.
At kailan ba sinasabing it does not constitute comment on the merits, no? We are concerned about the public, we are concerned about the media, and we are aware also that it is our obligation, because we are representing the interests of the people, to give them satisfaction on
Opo.
questions pertaining to what is happening in the impeachment trial.
Thank you, ma'am.
Alright.
Maraming salamat, ma'am.
Thank you,
ha?
ma'am.
Di na ako sanay kay Luistro na walang palikpik. Paano ba yung damit niya may ganun? Yung
Butterfly.
Butterfly. Wala na eh. Wala ngayon eh. Medyo flat eh. Thank you, Kong.
Marami pa
Mabuhay
to.
ka. Maraming
Marami
salamat
pa
po.
to.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
Salamat,
Good
ma'am.
Thank you,
morning,
si-
Salamat.
Thank you
And-
po.
Oy, na-miss ko kayo ha. Parang tagal ko hindi nakabalik dito.
Oo
Ay, ganun
nga
ka
pala.
naman eh. Ni-snub mo kami. Thank you, ma'am. Si Alvin po, nalimutan mo yung pangalan.
Oo nga.
Thank you, thank you.
Kanina pa ako nagsasabi,
Thank you.
Alvin.
Maraming salamat.
Thank
Maraming
you, Alvin.
Thank you, ma'am.
Doris.
Si-
And
Thank
good
you, ma'am.
morning po.
Morning.
Sa lahat ng sumusubaybay.
Bye-bye. Si Representative Jervil Luistro. Ano yung kalaw?
O yan, salamat. Attorney Jervil Luistro. No? Binasag na ang katahimikan kasi hindi sila napagbigyan ng hindi sila napagbigyan ni Jesus Cordero Capo na mag-respond. Pinutol na talaga. No need, sabi niya eh. Putragis, Diyos ko Lord. Kung sumagot sana, na-explain at naliwanagan din, no? Itong kampo ng mga Duterte, Diyos ko. Pero iyak sila ng iyak. Kasi talagang payang-paya sila. Kita niyo naman, no? Sabi niya, no, it's allowed. Nagsitawanan lahat ng nasa paligid, mga kakabsat. Paano ba naman kasi Naku po, karamihan doon puro mga may alam sa batas. Diyos ko Lord. Shout out Allen Valencia, Yuki Sawaki, Desert Spring P. Dandan, JB Rose, si Miley, si Mariel, at saka sa lahat po ng mga dumalaw. Shout out po sa inyo. Okay, countdown tayo sa ating subtopic, Mabsat. No? Naku po, walang mag-iiyakan dyan. Ha? Stay tuned lang kayo, Mabsat. Relax lang kayo dyan. Okay, countdown tayo in 30 seconds. Here we go.